Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Windows 10 build and whether you run 64-bit, because system files differ. This matters for compatibility. Once done, create a system restore point and export the registry key you'll modify so you can revert easily. Make sure to download a reputable transparency utility or the correct theme files and keep them in a dedicated folder. You do these now to reduce risk and to make later steps predictable and reversible, so proceed only after backups are complete. Next, take ownership and grant yourself permissions on the Explorer resource files you will replace. This avoids access denied errors. Then apply the transparency. Either run the theme installer included with the tool or manually replace the DLL/MUI assets in the System32 and NUS folders, following the tool's exact file names. Once replacements are complete, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or reboot the PC to load the new visual assets. This step changes how Explorer renders background. Finally, open Settings right arrow personalization, right arrow colors, and enable transparency effects so Explorer respects the new visuals. Tweak accent color if contrast is low. If Explorer fails to start or shows visual glitches, restore the original files from your backup or run the registry import you saved. System Restore is the fail-safe. Make sure to remove the tool and reapply official updates, because Windows updates can overwrite mods. If crashes persist, revert completely and retry with a different compatible package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.